Good afternoon, sir, and everyone. Today, me and my team are going to present the PBT2 web programming, and we have our team has me, Poyaming, Jaykesav and Lokeshzdharan, and our PBT2 is about student registration, where it create new folder, file, and and delete the folder and the file also. And first, have the HTML and PHP, and our title is student registration, and we use form method, post, and echo server PHP itself, which is which is this script itself when it hosts, and we use input type checkbox for each uh, for each uh, for each process, and we name create folder, create file, delete folder, and delete file, and we set the value as 1. And we had two button, which is submit button and reset button. And first we use the PHP function is create folder, and we set the folder name as registration, and we use if else to check if the folder name is it exists or not. If the folder isn't exist yet, it will m- make make a new directory name the registration, and it will echo the folder is successfully created. If the folder already exists, it will send this folder already exists. Next, I'm going to pass the mic to Lokesh.
Okay, next function is create file. So as from the folder name, it will create a new file name which is the Solene text, and then the path it will save under the folder name, which was the registration, and then the content in the file name will be the student information goes here, and if the file exists, uh, it will open the file and write the content student, and then it will echo the student is successfully registered. If the file already exists, it will echo file already exists. Next function is delete file. First, it will go under for registration folder and then search for Solene text file name. And then if the file exists, it will delete the file and echo Solene file is deleted. Else, it will echo file does not exist. Next, I'll pass it to Jaykesav.
Okay. Next is the function to delete a folder. Okay. The function is responsible for deleting a folder named registration. It checks the folder if the folder exists using the isdir. Then the function is if the folder exists, it is deleted using the rmdir function. If the folder doesn't exist, it displays a message indicating the folder doesn't exist. After defining the delete folder function, the code handles the form submission. It checks if the HTTP request method is post using the server request method. If it is a post request, it checks each checkbox value, post create folder, post create file, post delete file, post delete folder to see if the checkbox is checked using the isSet function. If a checkbox is checked, the corresponding action function is called, and in this case, the delete folder checkbox is checked and the delete folder function is called.
Okay, now we are going to demonstrate it. First, we click on create new folder and click on submit, and it will show folder is successfully created, and we go to our folder, and we will see here's the registration, and we click one more time, and it will show folder already exists. And now we're going to create a new file, click on submit, and it will say student is successfully registered, and we click open this and open this. Here it goes. And then if we click one more time, file already exists. And for the delete folder, we first we click on delete file first. So the hidden file is deleted. See, there's no any TXT file left. Now we're going to delete the folder, and registration folder is deleted, and the folder does not exist. Okay, that's all from us. Thank you.